So the first windows that we're going to actually touch are back here. Okay. So we've got these, this one, and this one here, and then also we got this one and this one here. Okay. And we're starting back here because everybody's got to get your bearings. You know, it's the back of the house. There's a little bit more forgiveness, you know, and things like that. So as we move to the front, you know, everything's going to get tighter, better, quicker, faster. You know, so by the time we're working in the front, everybody's got their act together, you know, and we look professional. So that's what we are. We're gonna, when we go inside, you know, we got to go all the way through the house to these rooms here. And in my mind, we're going to that room first, okay? And what we'll do is, you know, get the lay of the land. I mean, obviously there's a corner there. There's 4 windows to work on, right? There's 4 of us, okay? And so what we'll do is we'll put a plastic barrier up to isolate the dust. Before we do, anything that's in front of the window will have to be moved aside. And as we go to the back, what we'll do is we have all these tarps up there, okay? And we've got some new tarps, we've got some old tarps. What we're gonna do is as we walk into the house, we're gonna lay tarps down to walk across the tarps so that we don't walk on their floor. Okay, so we're gonna protect their floor and keep that. We've been on that show before. Charlie.
Mm-hmm.
Charlie Belcher.
He's a tall dude. I thought he was gonna be.
Careful too, okay? Alright, okay, good. That was excellent. Oh, that's what I was looking for. You can get under there, bro. Perfect. Isn't that nice? So now I'm trapped. All right. Okay, so that's really good. So we do go ahead and take your whole toolkit in there though. Now here's the thing, you gotta be real careful with these things. You have these plastic clips, they're always very, very brittle. Okay? Like see this little clip right here? Watch that. Okay? I'm trying to find an extra one. That's hard. Trying to hold it for a second. See how it's got a little hinge on there? Like that. Okay? Now here, this comes out. Wait, before you do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, just put this here like this. I'm gonna use this cord to keep it together as a kit. Okay? And so see how that works? Yeah, that's good. Now, why don't you be in charge of these? Set it somewhere where you'll recall this one goes here.
Okay, so
Actually, let's see.
so mark the windows 1, 2, 3.
You got a marker, right?
Yeah.
So this is S1, this is S2. Am I right?
I mean, unless you,
Yeah,
unless
it's
you.
1 and 2.
S1, S2. Bottom out it. S1, S2. Okay? You see that?
So this S2.
Yeah, that's S2. Right, so put a piece of blue tape on that. It says S2 on it
That's it.
because I don't know that they're keyed to each window, but sometimes they are, meaning they're cut to fit every opening, and that one might be different than that one. And we'll want to know which one is. You know what I'm saying? We're taking the time now to mark those. That's what you call smart. So like one of the first things in your kit's a screwdriver. It's like somebody says, why do you use a screwdriver? Well, because of this, actually. And the cool thing about the screwdriver that's in your kit, okay, is it's a combination screwdriver. Because look, it's a Phillips, but it's also a flathead, right? And it's a big flathead and a small flathead. Small flathead and small Phillips, right? So you cover all those things, okay? So, and it's also one size nut driver, another size nut driver. So you should be able to get them blinds off, right? Okay, so we'll see.